Good afternoon, it's your boy Rubio, and I'm back at the table with some more cards to unveil for you guys today. And today, I'm back with day number 16 of Topps Series 1 Baseball. So day number 15 bought us a nice looking card from Kobe Mayo, which was pretty cool. It was like a rainbow refractor. But let's see what day 16 has for us. Let's see what's in this lovely pack here. Alright, looks like we got something shiny again. That's pretty cool. So we'll flip this around. Starting out, we have, I'm guessing this is Cedane Raphael from the Boston Red Sox. We have Trevor McGill from the Milwaukee Brewers. We have Matt Shaw from the Chicago Cubs that has the All-Star Rookies Cup here. We will sit that there. We have a team card of the Washington Nationals. They're celebrating something. We have another team card of the Athletics. They're also celebrating something. We have a Ronald Acuna Jr. from the Atlanta Braves. We have Hunter Brown from the Houston Astros. We have Alejandro Kirk from the Toronto Blue Jays. We have Luke Keeschel from the Minnesota Twins. Also has the All-Star Rookies Cup. Alright. We have a tri-players card here. We have Aaron Judge, Bo Bichette, and Jacob Wilson. It says American League leaders, and they are the leaders of batting average leaders. That's what it says right there, batting average leaders. Alright, we'll sit that there. We have another 3-team card. Ooh, yes. Alright. We have, I think it's Kyle Schwarber, Shohei Ohtani, and Juan Soto. It says National League leaders, and they are the leaders of home runs. Alright, and I did get his name right, Kyle Schwarber. I'm good. Alright, on this like rainbow looking parallel here, or refractor, that's a nice looking card. We will sit that over there. Can't be mad at that. And we have Christopher Sanchez from the Philadelphia Phillies to round it off. Alright. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share with others. I hope you guys are enjoying this content as much as I do. You can follow me on all of my social medias. On YouTube at JRubio. On TikTok at JRubio80. On Instagram at j.rubio80. On eBay, where I sell most of my cards, you can follow me at jrubio80, all lowercase. Also on Facebook, that's just Jamie Rubio. And you can follow me on Whatnot, where I do my live shows, at Rubio Collects. That's RubioCollectz. That's Rubio Collects. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Thank you guys for all your positive feedback and all the likes and all that other good stuff. Have a great day. Peace.